Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Today I am doing two smaller canvases, both with rainbow colors on top of the kind of like an earthy rainbow piece. The last piece that I created, I will link at the very end of the video, is where I got the color inspiration, that's the word I'm thinking of, color inspiration from. So I wanted to create a few more pieces with that color palette. So that is what I'm doing today. And what you're going to see is that when I swipe through my colors, I swipe from red to blue for the first piece, and then I swipe from blue to red for the second piece. And in the second piece, I made it's a little mistake, but little mistakes sometimes feel worse than big mistakes. So stay tuned and make sure you check out the second canvas. They both turn out really, really beautiful. I love them both and can hardly wait to get them finished with a coat of varnish, that is. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would do so. I'm even closer to 3,000 subscribers, which is my goal for this summer. So hopefully by the end of August, I can have 3,000 subscribers. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, as well as the thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear what you think of these two adorable little pieces. All right, and it's close-up time. So here is piece number one that I swiped from red to blue. Absolutely love this piece. I love how I pulled some of that orange lacing out onto the off-white, or the buff titanium. And then this is the second piece that I had to do that little correction where I dragged some of the buff titanium across the swipe. Oh, I was so upset when I did that, but easy little fix, and these two pieces turned out absolutely awesome. Love, love, love. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up, and I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. So have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!